Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I hope your week is off to a great start. Happy Monday to you all. Yes, it's Monday and I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. All right, so I know you were enjoying the proteins. I saw your questions. Yes, we are going to be sharing with you another delectable delight protein. Yes, you enjoyed those burgers. And yes, Colin, I know you want the recipe for a nice gravy or a nice sauce. So we'll be doing that coming very soon. So stay tuned. Just before the year ends, we are going to share one of my signature one of my signature dishes with you. However, today it's another interesting, another exciting um, protein dish. And yes, we will be sharing Delectable Delights protein dish, vegan dish, eggplant, stir fry eggplant, stir fry eggplant parmesan, whatever you want to call it. It is a dish with eggplant. So keep watching. And yes, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. Hopefully you love it and you will share it with your family and your friends. Welcome to Delectable Delights Eggplant Vegan Protein Dish. Here we are washing two medium-sized eggplant. You definitely want to wash them thoroughly in salt water, preferably warm salt water, to remove any wax or pesticides. Then you will need to cut the eggplant diagonally in about 1/4 inch slices. Not too thick because you definitely want it to be able to absorb your seasonings. So yes, season with your favorite powdered seasoning. You can add paprika, garlic, onion, cumin, oregano, turmeric. Be sure to add salt. Also, drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil over the eggplant and allow it to marinate. Massage the oil into the eggplant. Allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. The eggplant will naturally spring liquid. Remove it from this liquid. Here we are using a plastic bag. We will be battering the eggplant with flour. Shake the eggplant in the bag and then fry. Fry the eggplant in 1/4 cup of oil in a saucepan until golden brown. Here we are using vegetable oil as it gives a different texture in frying. Here you have it, nice and golden brown. It makes a great snack and can be eaten as is. However, we will make a gravy to serve with it. Here we're using green onions, otherwise called escallion, along with tomatoes and thyme. Use the liquid from the eggplant marinade to add to your sauce or your gravy. We'll also add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, stir frequently. Also add half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of blackstrap molasses. You can use browning or soy sauce if you prefer that. When using blackstrap molasses, definitely add vitamin C. Here we are using half of a lime to add to this gravy. Be sure to taste and add salt or other seasonings to taste. And it's done. We'll pour the gravy over the eggplant, the golden brown eggplant, and it's ready to be served. This eggplant protein dish serves 4, and it is great for people on a tight budget. Bon appetit! Enjoy your meal. Hope you did enjoy that Delectable Delights eggplant. It is another way that you can cook eggplant, and eggplant is a very versatile vegetable, or if you want to call it fruit. It is packed with fiber. It is packed with lots of potassium, and it is also great for diabetes. Like eggplant being versatile, God wants us to be versatile as his children. He said, we are the salt of the earth. And where is the flavor in this world if the salt, where is the flavor in the food if the salt has lost its savor? So as Jesus said to his disciples and the people on the Mount of Olive, you are the salt of the earth. Yes, you are the salt of the earth. I am the salt of the earth, and we need to mingle with others and let them feel and taste the salt that we have to offer. I pray that you have a wonderful week, and may God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.